Hi, everyone. Welcome to this week's Trade of the Week. My name is Lee Goldstein, the trading director at 10 Minute Trades. Relax and let me show you exactly what happened in the trade room on this fantastic event. One of the most volatile events that we trade is the FOMC statement. A lot of instruments move rapidly and chaotically on this news, but we were deciding to trade the NQ. According to our testing, we had a great setup, an 80 tick bracket, which is really large. We put our orders on the chart, the FOMC statement gets released, and unexpectedly, it's a very mild move to the downside, hitting our 100 tick target for a $500 profit. Let me show you that again. It hits our 100 tick target for a quick $500 profit. Sometimes when you think an event is going to be out of control volatile, it acts the way that FOMC acted this week. It was very mild and very tradable, a great winning trade, $500 profit. We had a large target because we expected that the market would move a lot on the news, and it did. You could see the candle here. That was our trade. Price moved down, $500. Easy money. That was our trade of the week, the FOMC statement. This is Lee Goldstein. Looking forward to see you in the trade room next week. Take care, everyone.